Drowning in scattered tools and wasted marketing hours? Meet the complete marketing suite. One platform replacing dozens of disconnected apps. CRM, funnels, live AI chatbots, and workflow automations all live together, designed to streamline your entire marketing and sales process effortlessly. Let AI agents qualify leads 24/7, book appointments naturally, and hand off to your team smoothly. Send email and SMS campaigns, chat live, manage bookings and reputation from a single intelligent inbox. Build high-converting funnels and websites with our drag-and-drop editor and AI-generated copy. Automate multi-channel workflows with conditional logic and API triggers. Track calls, analyze data in real time, and manage affiliates on the go. Transform chaos into clear, unstoppable growth. Start your free trial today